everybody, welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. Thank you so much for joining us today. As you can see, I have an exciting announcement here. We have our new winter mailers coming out this week. They are out in the mail, so you should be getting yours soon. This is December through March, so we've got all of our new exciting classes in here. Sign-ups are the 1st of December, which is this Friday. So if you get your mailer before then, definitely look through it, mark which classes you want to take, but we're not signing up until Friday. So Friday at 9:45, we'll be opening the doors to the store and turning on the phones. So if you come by, we're opening just a little bit early, also because we have our QB Elves event, which is going on Friday and Saturday. So just a quick little mention, if you are in the QB Elves class on Friday and you also want to sign up for classes, don't worry. We have a system going. We'll get you in your classes, so no stress there. So yeah, we're super excited about our new mailer. Like I said, definitely open it up. We've got some really cool new classes in here. So yeah, and along with our new mailer means it's also open house. So open house is going to be the 1st of December through the 9th of December, so that week there. During open house, all regular price fabric is 20% off, so that's always great. If you sign up for any classes, you also get 20% off of all of your class supplies during open house. So that is awesome. And we also have our demos. So on the 5th of December, so next week, our first demo is going to be these awesome luggage tags. Wendell is going to be showing us how to make these. It's going to be a little make and take, so there's going to be a little kit fee for it, but it's going to be super fun. We are really looking forward to it. It's this awesome sort of cherry red, that faux leather that's amazing that we love. And you've got these great designs, so we're really excited to make those. We also have Joy doing a little make and take as well. She's going to be using the new Brother print Moda. It's going to be a little make and take. It's going to be a little tote bag. You're going to be able to send us your pictures and print them using the new print Moda and turn that into a little tote bag. So that's going to be super duper exciting. It's going to be personalized to you, which is fantastic. So really looking forward to that. That's going to be on the 7th. And then on the 8th, as always, is going to be Claudia's Notion Extravaganza. She always goes through all of the notions that we have. She gives you a little demo. It's going to be fantastic. So really excited about that. We're going to be sending out an email a little later today with more info on classes and signups and all that good stuff. So in case I missed anything, look out for that email. It'll have all the information in there. So very exciting. Okay, and now that means we can get into our fabric tour for today. First off, we've got this gorgeous watercolor line from P&B. This is Whisper Song. It's a very serene color palette with these gorgeous blues and greens. Lots of wonderful textures and blenders thrown in there also. And they really, really do a wonderful job at getting that watercolor effect in this collection. So it's a nice way to kind of ease back into florals if you're kind of done with your holiday sewing. This is a great line to start sort of something new. Okay, and then right over here, we've got our notion of the week. This week, it is rotary cutters and blades. So we've got all sorts of different rotary cutters here, lots of different styles and colors, and all of those extra blades if you need replacements. This is going to be a great gift idea if you're looking for a new something for your quilting friends or relatives or whoever, or yourself. Rotary cutters are always a good idea. Especially also the replacements. So 20% off of all of those, so definitely stop by and stock up on those. Okay, and right over here, we also have our kit of the week. So our kit of the week this week is the 'Tis the Season quilt panel from Moda, designed by Lella Boutique. It's going to be 20% off this week. As you can see up here, it is super easy. All you need to do is just quilt it up, throw some binding on there, and you've got a finished little quilt throw. You could add some borders if you wanted, or you make it super easy and just go with the quilting. We put some Cuddle on the back of it, so it's really nice and cozy, and just it's a really good gift if you're looking for a fast project to finish up before Christmas. So 20% off of that one through this week. And while I'm here, so you can see it, we're gonna go right up here to this adorable new quilt that we have here. This is the Take Heart pattern in the Besties collection from Tula Pink. It's this adorable heart design, sort of like a patchwork heart, in that adorable sort of animal pet themed fabric from Tula, which we have right here. We still have some of the Tula Pink Besties fabric. We're going to be cutting some fat quarter bundles to go along with the pattern here. So it's the Take Heart pattern there. We used some of her, some of the fairy dust fabric here with the white background as the background for the quilt. So we've got lots of this one too. So definitely come in and take a look at that one. It is super cute, and we've still got lots of fabric left to do that quilt. So come check it out. Right here, we also have a new sample. This is the Candyland quilt using the Candyland postcard pattern here. And we used the capri fabric that is in layer cake form, so it turns out really nice. So you have your layer cake here with your 10-inch squares that you'll just be slicing up and then adding some sashing and some little borders too. So it's also super easy, a great beginner project. So if you're looking for something sort of fun and cheerful, this is a good option. And you may recognize the capri fabric. We also used it for the Patchy Tote that we have here. The main body is some Ruby Star Society fabric, but we've got that adorable patchwork on here, and we do still have some of these kits available as well. And I thought I would just mention while we're here, we saw this line a couple weeks ago. This is the Honey and Lavender line by Moda. But we did get the panels for it as well, which we did not get to show off. So you can see we've got these really cute little honeybee themed panels. And we have it in 3 different colorways. So there's the cream background, there's the dark gray background, and we also have it in this really pretty sort of butter yellow background. So those were just too cute. We had to show those off. Okay, and right here at the table, we've got an adorable little new Valentine's line. So I know it's sneaking up on us, but this one is called My Valentine from Riley Blake. Valentine's Day is going to be here before we know it, so might as well get started on those projects early. This one is so cute because it's got all of these little patchwork things on there. It'd be so cute to cut these out and fussy cut them. In fact, we do have a class coming up. There's going to be a sample. It's one of our Gift of the Month classes, and Noreen uses this one, and it turned out so cute. And there are even more fabrics right under here, so lots of options, including this adorable panel that comes with the line. Or I should say, it's a part of the collection. So you can find this here as well. I think this one is a really good Valentine's line that did a really good job on sort of making this really cute and fun. So we'll have this one just right under the counter here. And yeah, it's an adorable little line. You can see we've got the little panels here, and we'll have some fat quarters available for this line as well. Okay, now this I am super excited about. Pat made this quilt and she wrote up some instructions for it. It's a super easy single slice layer cake quilt. So all you need is one layer cake, which you can see here. We used the Lakeside Gatherings flannels from Moda. So we've got one layer cake, and you do one little slice in half, so you just have to slice the layer cakes once, and you pair them with a coordinating rectangle, and it just creates this gorgeous, soft and luscious quilt. So really, really great for beginners. We did this one with beginners in mind, somebody who doesn't want to do too much cutting getting into it, but learning the basics. It's a really fantastic idea. We do have the free pattern here. It works with other layer cakes as well. So if you wanted to do like a cotton layer cake, something else that isn't flannel, that's totally fine. You can do that as well. But we just love how this flannel one turned out. It's so lovely. So really wanted to show this one off. Okay, and right here on the end, we've got another gorgeous line. This one is from Wilmington Prints. It is called Zest for Life. It's a bright and fresh collection with a sort of lemonade theme with these cute little daisies and mason jars. Some really lovely blenders with the plaids and the text in there. And there is a border print that goes along with this one, which is this guy right here. You've got those cute little daisies and the mason jars with the lemons and lemonade. And we've got this cute little panel also. It's another little placemat panel. So you can definitely turn them into your placemats. They'd be great for spring going into summer. We also have an idea here from them. This is one of their free patterns. It's a little placemat panel quilt. It's a little table topper. It's a little bit of a different way to use the panels. You can see they've used all four in there, and then the border print as well. So a great way to use all of this fabric. So that one's very fun. I love the sort of bright cheerfulness of the collection. Okay, and then right in here, you can see we have a whole variety of cuddle, which we are very excited about. Going into winter, it's going to be fantastic to have lots of cuddle options. It is just wonderful to put on the back of your quilts to get them all snuggly and warm, especially this gorgeous luxe cuddle. This one gives the quilt a really nice weight to it as well, so it kind of gives that weighted blanket feel if you add batting also. And then we've got some of the regular cuddles here in all sorts of different colors. Young people really love the cuddle, so we wanted to give lots of color options. We've got some prints and patterns, and then here's more of that really just soft and cuddly luxe cuddle. And then right on the end here, we've got this really sweet collection. This one is called Ellie. It's got all of these really small, delicate florals and some lovely blenders. So it's got some of this sort of nice little cross print, some stripes, and some really nice gingham in there as well. This one would make such a cute little girl quilt. Be adorable in like a little nursery, or it kind of has like a tea party theme to me. So maybe some little placemats would be really sweet as well. Okay, now we're gonna walk all the way around here. We're gonna do a little circle. We're passing by our novelty section, which we've gone through recently. Some great fabrics in there. And then we're gonna come through our Civil War section and end right on the end here where we have the one of our newest collections called Etchings from Moda. Really gorgeous collection, rich color, and some floral. So we showed you this one a couple weeks ago, but we have a new project to show you. This right here is a little bench pillow using the collection. Really sweet little tulip piecing. We've done just a grunge as the background, and then the backing of the pillow we've done in this gorgeous fabric. So you kind of get an idea of the project and what you can do with it. But really sweet print. This just turned out fabulous. We did some quilting right on top there that looks great. And the best thing is that it's a super easy pattern. So it just comes like this. You can see it just requires one of these little mini charms, but you can use one of the charm packs as well for it because we don't have the mini charms, but definitely would just need a little bit of fabric, some background, and then it gives you all of the instructions just right in here for the piecing together. So that one was so cute, we just had to show it off. Okay, and right up at the counter here, we've got this wonderful collection. This is from RJR Fabrics. It's Countryside Garden. Lots of beautiful florals in here. And there also is a little pop of sort of a rose gold copper metallic in there as well. So that gives it a nice sort of elegant look and adds a fun little shine to the collection. Love the color palette. It kind of works from those cooler tones into these more warm magentas, so you get a really nice variety of color as well. Lots of fat quarters for this one available, and we're really looking forward to start seeing some projects from this. So that brings us to the end of our little tour for today. Just a few reminders about the mailer. We have them out in the mail, so you should be getting yours this week. Sign-ups start this Friday, no sooner. But we do have the mailer coming up on our website as well by 4 p.m. on Thursday. So if you haven't gotten your mailer for some reason, you can find it online as well. So definitely check that out. Look through it. Like I said, go through, mark which classes you want to sign up for. It's really helpful for us if you kind of know what you want to sign up for before coming in, because we are usually really busy the first day of signups. So just keep that in mind. But we do have a pretty good system going, so hopefully we'll be able to get you all through really fast. I'm sure I'm missing more information, but like I said, Michael is sending out an email later today with all of the information in there. So whatever I missed, I'm sure is going to be in that email later today. We're really looking forward to this open house. Like I said, QB Elves is also this weekend, so lots of fun stuff for us around here. We're going to be little busy bees for sure. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today. Leave a comment if you have any questions, or if you just want to share what your favorite fabric line was from today. We always love to hear that. So thank you so much for watching. We'll be on Whatnot later today, so maybe see you a little later there too. But with that, we will end for our tour today, and thank you so much for watching.